Hello, today we're going to learn how to format a paper using OpenOffice. To begin with, we'll need to set our margins. To do this, we'll go up to Format and Page. Make sure that the Page tab is selected. Then highlight the margins and set them as follows. We want 1-inch margins on both the right and left. We want a 1/2-inch margin, 0.5, at the top, and a 1-inch margin at the bottom. Say OK. Now, we need to insert our header. This will include our last name and the page number. We click Insert, Header, and choose Default. Place the cursor in that header. Make sure it's justified to the right. Choose Insert, Fields, Page Number. Move the cursor to the left of page 1 and type in your last name. Be sure to follow it with a space. Return your cursor to the center of the paper. Now we need to set our spacing to double space. To do this, we'll right-click, move to line spacing, and select double. Now we'll set up the header for our first page. The first line is our name. The second line will be the last name of the teacher. Course information comes next. And finally, the date. Notice that I've formatted the date with numbers on either side and a word in the middle. There's no commas. This is a very clean way of setting up your date and, in fact, the proper way to do so for MLA. Press Enter one more time, and we'll click on Center to set up our title. Be sure to use a clever title. Press Enter again and justify your text over to the left. And now we'll set up our indentation. You should never use Tab to do your indentations. Instead, up on the ruler, select the top half of this hourglass and slide it 1/2 inch to the right. Now you're ready to begin your paper.